So this is my flower bed, and it's very narrow. Kids like playing on the grass, so we've had some narrow beds. But I went to a house yesterday and I saw these beds, and they're really wide. And the cottage garden has wide beds. So I've come back now with the idea of creating a cottage garden in my bed. So I'm going along, making a new edge. For my border. So this is going to help. I want to create a rose garden, so I'm going to lift some of these panels. I'm going to save them, I'm going to turn them upside down, and they can make into compost. I'm doing this quite neatly, which is quite a surprise for me. So we can lift them up, place them down side by side on top of each other, and then rot down in some good compost. There we go. So I'm just going to place these two on top of each other, and they'll break down and make some nice compost. Instantly we've got a bed which is much wider. Already an improvement. So in just a short time, we've got all this nice wide bed. That's so much better. we can actually plant things in the front now. Great job. So I'm going to save these and they're going to fill a raised bed which we've got coming on our way. So I'm just going to put these into the wheelbarrow. And they're going to rock down nicely. So instantly we've got a nice big border that's looking so much better. It'd be good if we could go further across, but at the moment we've gained another 10 inches, which is good at the moment, and that would be great. So this rose, it's got some absolutely lovely blooms, but some of the leaves have got a bit of black spot. So I'm just removing all the infected leaves and also picking up any leaves that are on the floor, and they don't go in a compost bin, they get destroyed. They just go in the trash. We don't want any of this infections continuing through the plant. So I'm just going through, removing some of the affected leaves. Hopefully should recover. So this rose was a rose that was from the pound shop, and when I bought it, it was just a single stem with nothing much to show, and it didn't get pruned and it's gone pretty crazy. I do go through regularly deadheading and removing any leaves. But it's a lovely, lovely bush. So I'm going to plant some of these miniature roses in this bed that we've just dug. We've already got one rose here. We don't want to go too close. Shouldn't plant roses in the same place as the rose has grown before. So nothing has grown here. So I'm going to put a couple of roses along the front here. This should make a nice display. I'm going to put another one here. These are from the supermarket, and there's a video of me splitting them. They've been potted up for a couple of weeks. So it's about time they got actually outside and got planted. They've been in and out, getting acclimatised to the weather because they were in the shop. So I brought them in and out for the last few days, and that's great. So that's two. Might do another one here. Okay, so I want to do a rose garden, so I'm looking for ideas. And when I went to that home yesterday, seeing all those lovely rose bushes gave me such a great idea. I'm just going to remove these buds. There we go. That's going to look a treat. Good job. So giving the extra space in the bed, it's giving me able to space to plant some other things. And we might even get some violas. Might put a viola in between. Add a bit of instant colour. Here we go, a nice wider border, nice and tidied up. The rose and violas planted out. Looking good. Can't wait for all those to display, and that'll be lovely. So, good job done. Really pleased with that. Let me know in the comments. Have you made a rose garden? How can I improve my rose garden? What other flowers can I plant with my roses? That'd be great. Let me know in the comments. That'd be wonderful. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. Ring that bell. Get notifications when I post some more. So I'm really pleased. A couple of hours work. Need to do the other side now.